Corinne.
And I'm Melissa. And it's been a while since the last time we posted a video.
It's been ages.
And we thought that we would come back with a bit of Burns, since it's time to celebrate Burns again.
Once a song that you will all know.
So we hope that you join in at home. Oh, my love is like a red, red rose that's newly sprung in June. Oh, my love is like the melody that's sweetly played in tune. So fair art thou, my bonny lass, so deep in love am I, and I will love thee still, my dear, till all the seas can dry, till all the seas can dry, my dear, and the rocks melt with the sun. I will love thee still, my dear, while the sands of life shall run. And fear thee will, my only love, and fear thee will a while, and I will come again, my love, though 'twere 10,000 miles. Though 'twere 10,000 miles, my love, though 'twere 10,000 miles, and I will come again, my love, though 'twere 10,000 miles. Well, we hope that you enjoyed My Love is Like a Red, Red Rose. But we thought we couldn't leave you without another very well-known Burns song. Is that right, Corinne?
It is, and you can end your Burns suppers with this. It's the last song of the night.
So if you're still eating your haggis, neeps and tatties, put your forks down.
And sing along with us. Or better still, eat your haggis, neeps and tatties and enjoy your cranachan. You should be finishing with a lovely whiskey-filled cranachan. And then after everything's all done and you're about to gang home, join us for our rousing rendition of Auld Lang Syne. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot for Auld Lang Syne? For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne. And here's a hand, my trusty fear, and these a hand of thine. We'll take a right good willy walk for Auld Lang Syne. For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne. For Auld Lang Syne, my dear, for Auld Lang Syne. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for Auld Lang Syne. Whee! Have a grand fun supper.
We hope you've enjoyed the Burns songs tonight.
Aye, and sing along at the end, and have a fantastic evening and a great Ceilidh if you're hearing some dancing and storytelling.
And hopefully we'll see you soon. See you
Bye.
next time. Bye.
Bye.